All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here it is, the final product, part 2 of this geometric wall. It took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but came out super cute. I even put together a little Peloton corner with our new black bedroom, but the geometric wall came out super cute. So I can't wait to share with you what I learned during this process and some helpful tips and tricks if you are planning on doing a geometric accent wall. For this project, you're going to need 1 inch by 2 inch by 8 foot lumber, a miter saw to cut angles, nail gun, wood filler, and sandpaper. So the first step is planning your design. If you watched my first video, I used painter's tape to create my design on the wall. I liked that it provided a visual aid, but I would probably do it differently next time, and I'll explain why later in this video. So you'll see my design, and then once you have your design, you will start measuring and cutting your boards. Use a tape measure to make sure the boards are parallel before nailing them to the wall. Once all of your boards are nailed into the wall, then you're going to start to fill in the holes with the wood filler and let that set. Pay close attention to where the 2 boards meet and fill completely for a seamless look. Once all the holes are completely filled, let it set for 2 hours before beginning to sand. Okay, so the only downside to using the painter's tape, which I mentioned earlier, is that it made it really difficult to paint the wall when it was done. I've seen some videos where they paint the wall first and then add the boards, and I definitely think that's the way to go. It makes it so much easier to paint afterwards, so you don't have to trim out all those really sharp corners. Especially like in the side over here, like you can't really see it in the video, but the angles are super tight, and I had to use like a really fine paintbrush to get in those areas. So I definitely think if I did it again, I would paint the wall first, then add the boards, and then just touch up the paint afterwards. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment below and let me know if you plan on doing a geometric wall, and also like and subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects.